Hi everyone, it's Cecilia from Lordhair, and I'm here to introduce one of our newest products. Here I have Champion Remy. Champion Remy. So let's talk about the name. Why Remy? Because it's one of the few products we have here that is in stock and with Remy hair. What's the difference between Remy hair and normal human hair? Remy hair is basically higher quality, just higher quality. Why? Because we cut this type of hair directly from the donor and we keep it in the same direction from when it's cut to when it's ventilated into the hair system, into the base. So now I'll try and explain this to you better. As you can see, these are two types of hair. Okay, so here I have normal human hair and here I have Remy hair. As you can see, there's not much of a difference, right? But the texture, how you feel it, is completely different. Here for Remy hair, it is softer, it is like silk basically, and it lasts longer, so the hair lifespan is longer. So what we recommend is, if you want higher quality hair, then go for Remy hair. Okay, now I'll talk about the base a little bit. So we have for this hair system a full lace base. What's lace? Lace is this base material which is entirely breathable, so it's perfect for those who live in a very warm country or do lots of sports, because your scalp can actually breathe, and it's perfect for summer. Now I will tell you something more about this product. It comes in a standard base size, so we have it for 10 by 8 inches, and but we can cut it for you if you ask for it during your order. And it's available in a variety of colors. So we have 1A, 1B, 2, 3, 4 for ash, 5, 6, 7, 7 ash, 18 and 22 color. So as you can see, you can choose from a large variety of colors, right? And the hair length is 5 inches. The density is medium light, which is the most common, so what we mostly recommend to men who look for a hair system. This is all for now from Lordhair. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this product. If you liked it very much, you can look it up on our website www.lordhair.com. If you want some further information, if you're looking for the answer to your queries about hair systems in general, whatever, you can email our client service, which is support@lordhair.com. So you just can email them and they will answer. I will remind you that this hair system is a stock hair system, so it's available for immediate shipment. That means that you can receive it in 3 to 5 business days, and we guarantee a 30-day money back. So I say goodbye to you all. I hope to see you in the next videos, and bye bye. Thank you.
Lordhair, for a better you.